Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you will enjoy it. So for today I'm going to do a Barbie inspired makeup tutorial. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and I hope you watch it until the end, and let's get makeup.
First, I will apply a foundation on my face. For the foundation, I'm using this Miku Cosmetic MC collection. Yes, this is my favorite foundation, guys. So we need to blend it. Okay. I really love this foundation because it's very light and make my skin so comfortable. So we need to blend it. Alright, so next I'm going to conceal my dark circle with a concealer. Perfect. So after that, don't forget to touch up with a compact powder. I'm doing my shading to contour my nose, so it can make your nose look a bit sharp. I also doing a shading for my cheekbone. Alright, then I blend it. Blusher time, guys. Wow. Okay, for the blusher, I'm using this bright pink color, so it can make me look like a Barbie doll, I guess. After that, I apply some primer on my eyelid before I apply the eyeshadow. So now I will apply the eyeshadow. So I choose the bright pink color, as you can see. Alright. So I choose this gold eyeshadow. I'm just pop up on my crease so that it can make my eyes look a little bit glitter. So just pop up like that. So after that, I'm doing a little bit of highlight. So this, I'm doing my eyeshadow. Okay, next we are going to do I'm going to do the eyeliner. Just perfect. Then I really need to do my eyebrow. For the eyebrow, I choose a brown eyebrow pencil. It's very easy to apply. So next, I'm going to do a little bit of highlight on my cheek to make my face look a little bit glowing. And also for my nose, I will apply some highlight. Okay girls, now it's a time for lipstick. I choose this pink lipstick. Oh yeah, I forgot to curl my lashes. So now I'm going to curl my lashes. And after that, I'm going to apply some mascara. Okay, now it's done. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next week. Bye bye.